Founded in 1963, Automobili Lamborghini is headquartered in Sant'Agata, Bolognese, in northern Italy. Lamborghini currently produces two super sports car models, the V12-powered Aventador, launched in 2011, and the V10-powered Huracán, launched in 2014, along with the Urus Super SUV powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine, launched in 2017. For over half a century, Automobili Lamborghini created a continuous series of dream cars, including the 350 GT, Miura, Espada, Countach, Diablo, and Murciélago, as well as limited editions such as the Reventón, Sesto Elemento, Veneno, and Centenario. With the unveiling in 2019 of the Lamborghini Sián FKP 37, a few-off build of only 63 units, the company delivers unique new hybrid technologies, featuring the world-first application of a supercapacitor for hybridization, new materials technology, and unsurpassed Lamborghini performance. Designed to push beyond performance. Revolutionary thinking is at the heart of every idea from Automobili Lamborghini, whether it is aerospace-inspired design or technologies applied to the naturally aspirated V12 engine or carbon fiber structure. Going beyond accepted limits is part of our philosophy. The Aventador advances every concept of performance, immediately establishing itself as the benchmark for the super sports car sector. Giving a glimpse of the future today, it comes from a family of supercars already considered legendary. Design. Each and every detail of the Aventador bears the hallmarks of the House of the Raging Bull. It is a true masterpiece of design that expresses dynamism and power, with a carbon fiber monocoque the jewel in its crown. The interior combines high-level technology and luxury equipment, crafted by skilled artisans using key specifications of Lamborghini Aventador. RI mileage 7.69 kmpl, city mileage 3.22 kmpl. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement, cc 6,498. No. Of cylinder 12. Max power, bhp at rpm 759.01 bhp at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Max torque, Nm at rpm 720 Nm at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Seating capacity 2. Transmission type automatic. Boot space, liters 110. Fuel tank capacity 90.0. Body type coupe. Ground clearance unladen 125 mm. Key features of Lamborghini Aventador. Anti-lock braking system. Driver airbag. Passenger airbag. Engine and transmission. Engine type 12, 60 degrees. MPI petrol engine. Displacement, cc 6,498. Max power 759.01 bhp at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Max torque 720 Nm at 6,750 revolutions per minute. No. Of cylinder 12. Valves per cylinder 4 valve configuration. DO8C fuel supply system MPI bore X/95 mmx76. 4 mm. Compression ratio 11.8:2. Supercharge. Transmission type automatic gearbox 7-speed drive. Type AWD clutch type dry double plate. Fuel and performance. Fuel type petrol. Petrol mileage, RI 7.69. Petrol fuel tank capacity, liters 90.0. Emission norm compliance BS-VI. Top speed, kmph 355. Suspension, steering, and brakes. Front suspension push rod magneto rheologic active with horizontal dampers. Rear suspension push rod magneto rheologic active with horizontal dampers. Steering type hydraulic steering column collapsible steering. Steering gear type rack and pinion turning radius, meters 6.25 meters. Front brake type carbon ceramic brake. Rear brake type carbon ceramic brake. Acceleration 2.8 seconds. Braking, 100 kmph 13 verified. 0-100 kmph 2.8 seconds. Dimensions and capacity. Length, 4,868. Width, 2,273. Height, 1,136. Boot space, liters 110. Seating capacity 2. Ground clearance unladen, 125. Wheelbase, 2,700. Front tread, 1720. Rear tread, 1,700. Curb weight, kg 1,550. No of doors 2. Exterior. Alloy wheel size 20. Tire size 255/30 ZR20, 355/25 ZR21. Tire type tubeless. Radial wheel size R20, R21. Safety. Anti-lock braking system. Brake assist. Central locking. Power door locks. No of airbags 5. Driver airbag. Passenger airbag. Side airbag front. Day and night rear view mirror. Passenger side rear view mirror. Xenon headlamps, seat belt warning. Door ajar warning. Side impact beams. Front impact beams. Traction control. Adjustable seats. Tire pressure monitor. Vehicle stability control system. Engine immobilizer. Crash sensor. Centrally mounted fuel tank. Engine check warning. Automatic headlamps. Clutch lock. Electronic stability control. Advanced safety features. Carbon ceramic brakes with fixed monolithic calipers made of aluminum and 6 front brakes, or 4 pistons, rear brakes, carbon ceramic ventilated and perforated discs with a diameter of 400 mm and a thickness of 38 mm. Carbon ceramic ventilated and perforated discs 380 mm in diameter and 38 mm in thickness. Airbags for knee protection only in certain markets. Front and rear collapsing zones. Side protection system.